Hello guys, happy new year in advance to you all. In today's video, I will be preparing one of Cameroonians traditional meal called Ekwang. Ekwang is made from grated makabo cocoyams and cocoyams leaves. If you are living in an area where you cannot find cocoyams leaf, you can also use spinach or green to tie your ekwang. Some people also use bitter leaf. It depends on what you have at hand. But for this video, I will be using the frozen ekwang, which means that the process of grating the cocoyam and tying it will be skipped. So I will just go on and remove the ekwang from the plastic bags and then add into boiled water. This will prevent it from being soft, if that is the correct English. Then I will add some salt and bouillon blocks to this. I will also be using country onion as known in Cameroon, black pepper, smoked fish, crayfish, and palm oil. I love using the Guinea fresh because to me it tastes exactly like the Cameroon CDC oil. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the Guinea fresh palm oil. For the country onion, I will first of all burn it. As you can see, this will help to bring more flavor into the ekwang. And then for the crayfish, I decided to put it into a Ziploc bag and smash it with my hand so that it won't be too soft. Next up, I added the smoked fish and crayfish. Then I went ahead and shook the pot a little bit. With ekwang, when you are stirring, make sure to be careful, otherwise the cocoyam leaves will separate from the cocoyam, and that is not what you want from your ekwang. You want everything to stay intact, so make sure or be careful how you stir it. Ekwang is very delicious, but it is a very delicate meal to prepare, and so you have to take your time when preparing it. At this point, I will go ahead and add the country onion. Mind you, I will not be blending the country onion, so I will just add it in whole. Some palm oil, and then I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I went ahead and added my black pepper, and then I shook the pot a little bit again to prevent it from burning. Then, because it was getting thicker, I decided to add some water. We don't want our ekwang to be potty. Potty, that is a common word we use in Cameroon. If you are from Cameroon, you will definitely understand what I mean by potty. Actually, potty is just thick, to make something to be so thick. Pepper for pepper lovers. At this point, our ekwang is almost ready, so I went ahead and added a little bit of palm oil again just to give it that shining color, and then I shook it again as usual to prevent it from burning. I will just allow it to boil again, maybe 2 minutes, and then our ekwang will be ready. So like I said in the beginning of this video, ekwang is a traditional meal and it is mostly eaten by the people from the southwest province of Cameroon. So that is ekwang, and that is how I prepare my ekwang if I want to prepare it the traditional way. Otherwise, I want to add ginger, onion and garlic, but to keep it traditional, we don't need to add onion, garlic or ginger. So this is typically how an Oroko woman will prepare ekwang. For you to really enjoy this ekwang, traditionally we will need our hands to eat ekwang. So most people will prefer to use their hands, some other people will decide to use spoons, some people will decide to use fork. It just depends on you, but to me, using my hands is the best option. So if you find this video interesting, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Let me also know your thoughts about ekwang. Do you find it something appetizing that you will want to eat, or have you ever tasted ekwang? Drop a comment in the comment section. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.